welcome back. How are you doing? Hope you're all well. So we woke up this morning, parked in this beautiful little spot, and it's absolutely glorious. I think it's going to be about 27 degrees today. So I've just sat down there planning on doing a cross stitch, I think.
Yeah, it's too bright.
What I plan on doing is doing a bit of exercise today. We've been meaning to do exercises more often and meditation and stuff since we've actually got in the van and started travelling. But we've just been travelling and just been concentrating on that really. We haven't really concentrating on like the mental health and or physical health and stuff like that. So as it's a really nice day and we're in quite a secluded spot, I'm going to get the yoga mat out. I'm going to do some exercises and stuff to start the day, and maybe a bit of meditation as well. What we are going to do today though is I've got a couple of videos I need to edit, and then we're going to go and do our washing or laundry, because it's been about 2 weeks now since we last did them, and we kind of try and do it every 2 weeks. So we're going to head into, do you know what it's called? See? Somewhere near Macclesfield.
It's only like half an hour away from where we are now.
Yeah,
it's not too far.
Somewhere near Macclesfield anyway. So we're going to head to there and do our laundry and stuff, and then maybe head back here, but obviously that's all up in the air in a minute. But I'm going to get on with some exercises. Right, it is proper baking, so I'm going to be sweating my nuts off, to be fair, doing this, but I really want to do it, and I kind of want to get back onto like exercising and meditation and stuff. So today's the first day of hopefully a continuous start of every day, waking up and doing some exercises when we can. But yeah, so I'm going to get on with it. I'll leave the camera running just in case anything funny happens or anything like that, but yeah, so I'm going to crack on. Alright, so that's all my exercises done now. I feel a lot better. I haven't meditated yet, but I'm going to meditate later. And this little strap I've got on now is basically to try and sort my posture out, because I have such a bad posture and I always slouch. And I always have done, but I've never really done anything about it. And I bought this from Amazon. And it's supposed to sort your posture out. It's only about 20 quid, so I'll leave a link below if you're interested in anything like that. But yeah, so now I'm going to actually crack on with editing a video. I'm only going to edit one. I've got two to edit. I'm going to edit one, and then we're going to head off to get our laundry done. But on top of that, I'm actually going to try and exercise and meditate at least once a day, so you can kind of hold me to that, and I can try and hold myself to it, because I always say it and I never do keep on top of it. But this time I'm actually really going to try it. But yeah, I need to get editing, so I'm going to crack on with doing that. Right, so we've arrived at the car park next to the washing machines. We've just put our first load around. I'm going to sit and edit some videos. What do you plan on doing actually?
I don't know.
Relaxing.
Yeah, relaxing. Yeah, I drove here.
Yeah, then once it's only about half an hour. So once half an hour's been, we're going to go over there and we'll actually show you how you actually do it, just in case you don't know how to do it or you're interested in anything like that. It's super simple. It's a lot more simple than a normal laundrette, to be fair. Yeah. Especially because you can pay by card as well. But as I've still got another video to edit, I'm going to crack on with that now while we're waiting for this washing to wash. Right, it's been about 30 minutes now, and the washing should be done. We've been sat in here with the door shut, because with the door open there's a really busy road, and I cannot hear when I'm editing, and it's baking here. Yeah,
it's like 25 degrees now, isn't it?
Outside, yeah, but I don't know what it is in here.
Oh, probably like 30.
Yeah, it is boiling, but we're going to take you over to the washing machine, and we'll kind of speak you through how you actually use it and stuff.
So that's the first load done. Now it's onto the whites. So you just put it in.
Like a normal washing machine?
Yeah. But the best thing about these is they actually have like the washing liquid detergent thing in it, so you don't have to put anything in. You literally put your washing in, pay for it, and that's it. It comes out washed. So it's really simple. You just touch the screen, click on wash. We're doing the 8 kilogram one. No, I don't want that softener. No, I don't want a text.
Yes, proof. And then you just got to choose your thing.
Yeah, and then you just choose what temperature you want it on and press start. There you go, easy. So there's only a couple of minutes left down the washing now. Just got to put in the dryer. It's £2 for 15 minutes. It's exactly the same process. So yeah, we're going to get on with that. And then our clothes will be washed and dry for another 2 weeks. Right,
so we're at our park up for tonight. It's the same one as we was at last night, but we managed to get all of our washing done, and we went and did food shopping. And then we went into Halfords and got some oil as well for the engine oil, because this does drink a little bit of oil, not more than it should be drinking really from what they say. But it was getting a little bit low, so we thought we'd buy 2 litres just so we make sure we're topped up all the time and we don't obviously get below that limit, like the minimum limit.
And I did the hill start.
Yes, you did, and it was actually quite a steep hill start as well.
Yeah, I bossed it.
You did, yeah.
But we're staying in this car park space again, or this parking space again, just because we think we might be going to Wales tomorrow. It's not 100% set in stone. We need to have a look at research of park ups and where we're planning on going and whatnot. So that's the plan for tonight. Mm-hmm. So yeah, this is not that far from, well, we actually looked, because where we were, where was it, Congleton?
Congleton,
yeah. So we looked, and it's literally the same distance from here to Wales and from this spot to Wales.
Yeah.
So it was kind of like a win-win situation, really.
Yeah.
And because it's like, what, half six now,
yeah.
we thought that it would be a bit too late to go tonight, and
Yeah.
it'd be the best idea to come back after we've done our van chores,
Yeah.
and then have a good night's sleep, and then we can have the whole day to travel tomorrow.
Yeah, especially because it's going to be a long drive as well, and we know this spot's already good. The only risk was this spot could have been taken because there's only enough room for one van, and it looked like there was 2 vans yesterday that came out to look at it, but it's not. So we're here, we're all parked up, we're both really hungry. We was looking for a KFC anywhere nearby, but there's not, so we might have to hit that tomorrow or whenever we go to Wales anyway. When we're on the road, there's bound to be one at a motorway service station or something. So KFC, we definitely come in there, but we're going to cook dinner here. I have no idea what we're cooking, so we'll go find out. Alright, so I've figured out what I'm making for dinner. I am making a bit like Nigerian eggs. It's kind of a little bit different, but it's basically onion, pepper, garlic, all-purpose seasoning, and then kidney beans, chopped tomatoes, and what is it? All-purpose seasoning. Oh yeah, of course, and the eggs. Good, we've got Tabitha sat here next to me. And the eggs, yeah, that's the most important thing in Nigerian eggs. I don't know how similar it is to Nigerian eggs, but it was like I got this recipe or similar recipe from a mate who is Nigerian, so I'm kind of thinking it's close-ish. I'm just gonna have that with some rice. So I'll set the camera on the side, and you can kind of see exactly how I'm doing it. But I will speed it up so it's not as boring. But yeah, let me set your camera on the side. So literally, this is a super quick thing to do. It's literally chop it all up, start frying it off, and then add your spices, and then add the chopped tomatoes, and then the eggs, and just kind of let the eggs cook through, and it's pretty much done. It don't take long at all. Right, so that's the onions and peppers in, sweating down. Once they've sweated down, I just need to put the garlic in, and then kind of cook that off a little bit. And then it's literally just the spices, like I said, kidney beans, and then chopped tomatoes, and then eggs, and then just literally leave it until it's fully cooked. So yeah, it's a very simple recipe to do. It's not hard at all, but it tastes super good. So I thought I'd quickly just show you the finished product. Doesn't exactly look like anything too pleasing, but it absolutely tastes beaut. So yeah, if you want something that's quick and easy and doesn't cost a lot to make, this is a great one to make. Alright, we've eaten that and it was absolutely beaut, but I've just looked outside the van window and it is an absolutely mint sunset. Like, it is so good. I think this is probably the best sunset we've had since actually being on the road in the van so in a month. But wow, literally, let me turn the camera around and just let me show you it, because it is stunning. Look at this. Absolutely ridiculous. All the way around. Yeah, that's mental. But yeah, that is by far probably the nicest sunset we've had in the van. There was a really nice one like a couple of days into being in the van, but we was in a really terrible place, so couldn't really see it. It was like on the other side of the mountain to us. But yeah, damn. I literally looked out the window and seen that, and that is stunning. And there's the van in all its glory. Right, so we're both out here now enjoying this beautiful sunset.
But we're going to end the video here, but Liam's got a nice time lapse of this beautiful sky.
Hopefully.
So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Watch me, just follow every